Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about expansion through diversification strategies. Diversification means expanding your business, okay, beyond the existing business. Okay, it may be related to the existing business or unrelated to the existing business. For example, uh, your uh, your new business will be in a different value chain. Okay, so your current business is in one value chain, your new business will be in another value chain. For example, if you are into tea business, the value chain of tea manufacturing and selling is different, the value chain of coffee powder manufacturing and selling is different. So you are doing a tea business, now you are entering into the coffee business or into soft drinks business, all comes under beverages. Okay, so from your present business you are starting an entirely new business is called as a diversification. That's the way the company can expand their businesses. The diversification can be done in two ways. One is concentric diversification and conglomerate diversification. Concentric diversification is entering into the new business that is related to the existing business. As I told you, coffee business is related to tea business, soft drink business is related to coffee and tea business, because all are comes under beverages. Okay, but their value chains are different, they are totally different businesses. Okay, but they are related to each other. If your new business is related to your existing business, then you are into concentric diversification. So when an organization takes up an activity in such a manner that is related to the existing business definition of one or more of firms business, either in terms of customer group, customer function or alternative technologies, it is called as concentric diversification. That means your new business is somewhere related to a existing business. Example of concentric diversification is Maggi. Maggi is known for noodles. Okay, and now additionally they are manufacturing tomato ketchup and sauce. So both are related because they are food products. Okay, so this is called as a concentric diversification. Conglomerate diversification is your new business is totally unrelated to your existing business. So you are into non-core business activities. For example, ITC core businesses business was tobacco products. Now they are into hotel business. Now they are into FMCG products, stationery items. Okay, they are not related to one another. If your new business is totally not related to your existing business, then you are into conglomerate diversifications. You are entering into different industries, different unrelated industries, so that you can have a footprint in all the industries. If one industry fail, another industry will generate a revenue and profit for your company. Okay, so most of the companies nowadays they are becoming conglomerate diversification because of the highly volatile business. So if any industry fails, the other industries they can compensate that. Okay, that is the objective behind the conglomerate diversifications. Okay, so for conglomerate diversification, ITC is a best example, and Tata group is also another best example. Okay, so those are about diversification.